Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn hashtag strategy with RiteTag easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the RiteTag website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button and fill in your details. Once signed in, locate the hashtag tool on the RiteTag dashboard. Enter a keyword or phrase related to your content in the search bar. RiteTag will generate a list of relevant hashtags for your LinkedIn posts. Pay attention to the color codes beside each hashtag. Green indicates that the hashtag is trending and great for immediate use. Red suggests that the hashtag is currently not performing well. Yellow means it has potential but may not guarantee immediate reach. Select a combination of green and yellow hashtags for optimal results. Next, copy your selected hashtags to your clipboard. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Create a new post by clicking on the Start a Post button. Paste your copied hashtags at the end of your post for maximum visibility. Make sure your post content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Preview your post to ensure everything looks good. Finally, hit the Post button to share your content with your network. Monitor your post's performance and adjust your hashtag strategy as needed. Using RiteTag makes it easy to stay on top of trending topics on LinkedIn. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance your content's visibility and engagement. Experiment with different hashtags and keep track of what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.